Good morning, dear students. I hope you might be fine. Now, today we people are going to start with the next interesting topic. It is about the same Earth, our home. See, the topic is climate variations on Earth. Do you have or do you know that there is a difference between a climate and a weather? हम लोग डेली वेदर फोरकास्ट देखते हैं ना. अब जैसे टुडे इट इज़ रेनिंग, सो दिस इज़ इन द वेदर फोरकास्ट. व्हाट इज़ अ क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया? व्हाट इज़ अ वेदर इन माय सिटी? So these are some of the questions that we people are going to answer in this chapter. इतना ही नहीं, we are also going to study that the climatic conditions are different at different places. Have you ever thought about it कि what is a climate in Kerala? What is a climate in Jammu and Kashmir? What is a climate in Leh and Ladakh? And what is a climate in Rajasthan? Yes, all the states have different climate. In the same manner, all the countries all over the world have different climate. Now, dear students, let's start with our topic, climate. See, people in the different parts of the world live in diverse ways. आपको पता है अलग अलग तरीके से. Someone lives in an igloo, someone lives in a hatched roof, someone lives in a, you could be saying, in a brick house. So why? कहीं पे houses की roofs बहुत ऊंची होती हैं, कहीं पे they have a low roof. Why? They live in diverse ways and these ways are adopted only due to this climatic conditions. Like in India, if we say the average climate is hot, right? Why? Have you ever thought of? Because equator passes quite near to India. It doesn't pass from India, but quite near to India. That's why the heat of equator makes India hot. In the same manner, you should be knowing that यहाँ पर the people they eat a variety of food, wear different kinds of clothes and live in distinct houses. Yes, it's again due to the climate. Have you ever thought of wearing a woolen clothes right now in our country? Furry clothes that you see the people wearing in the hilly regions, in the regions where there is snow all over? No, we do not find that ways in India. क्योंकि इंडिया में इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं पड़ती कि हमारे को इतने फरी क्लोथ्स डालने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट स्नो ऑल अराउंड. जहाँ पर स्नो रहती है वो भी बेरेबल रहती है. Now all these differences are due to the variations in the climatic conditions of different areas. So what did we learn? That the people, in the conditions they live, the people, the food they eat, and the different kinds of the clothes they wear all depends upon the climate. So what is climate then? Climate means the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So जो average condition रहेगी for a long period, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Climate. You should remember climatic changes बहुत जल्दी नहीं आती हैं. Now we are saying कि climatic changes आ रही हैं. Why? Ozone layer is depleting. So this means कहीं पे भी जो weather conditions बहुत लंबे समय के लिए चलती हैं, that is known as a climate. Now बच्चे, let's see what is a weather. So weather means a condition of atmosphere at a particular place or time. इस समय गंगानगर के अंदर it is raining. So this is a weather condition. Why? Because monsoons are there. Now it may change from one day to another. हो सकता है कल बारिश ना हो, एक दिन पहले हो सकता है there was a storm, आंधी तूफान था. So these are the weather conditions that changes within a short span of time. So weather conditions हो सकता है गंगानगर में डिफरेंट हो सकता है चंडीगढ़ में इस समय रेन ना हो सकता है शिमला में इस समय रेनफॉल हो रही हो. So this is particularly the weather conditions. So I hope this had made the difference between climate and weather quite clear. I'm going to make the clarity more to you people with the help of a difference chart. So let's see. Short-term variation in atmosphere is known as weather. Like we say, weather was good yesterday. It is raining today. Tomorrow it's going to be hot and humid. What is this? जब हम लोग फोरकास्ट खोलते हैं और फोरकास्ट को देखते हैं ना, दैट मीन्स दिस इज वेदर. हम लोग वेदर को टच कर रहे हैं, वेदर को हम लोग सी कर रहे हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज क्लाइमेट. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय क्लाइमेट? Weather conditions over a long period of time is known as climate. Climate change has become a burning issue worldwide. Yes, why is climatic change a burning issue? Only because of our ozone layer depletion. Only because of the environmental pollution. Now in this slide, even the difference is going to be more exaggerated. See, what is weather? Conditions of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Short period of time के लिए जो हमारा atmosphere होता है, that is known as weather. And what is climate? How the atmosphere behaves over a long period of time. अब हमारा atmosphere over a long period of time कैसे रहता है, that is known as climate. Weather can change within minutes or within hours. See, it might be rainfall now, but after 10 or 15 minutes, it might be a bright sun that leads to a rainbow. Let's see. Average regional weather pattern over the decades is known as a climate. Now we will be over to the next slide. Now, this is also a very interesting slide. So, climate is what you expect, and weather is what you get right now. The average weather conditions of a particular region is climate, and the condition of atmosphere at a particular time and place changes from day to day. Yes, you can see the climatic map here, right? But when we say day to day, it might be sunny, it might be windy, it might be cloudy, it might be snowy, it might be rainy. So let's see हम लोग क्लाइमेट के लिए कौन से कीवर्ड्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. पर ईयर, नेवर, सीजन्स, इट इज़ एनुअल, रिकॉर्ड लोज, रिकॉर्ड हाइज, जनरली, एक्सट्रीम वेदर, इवेंट्स फ्रॉम पास्ट, ऑलवेज, टिपिकल वेदर. सो व्हाट इज़ इट? These are nothing but they are the climatic conditions. Now what are the keywords for weather? It is forecast, sunny, recent, daily changes, cloudy, foggy, current, yesterday and tomorrow and even today. So these are the words related to weather conditions. I hope now you are clear. The average weather condition of a particular region for a long period of time that we expect is known as climate. And the same condition of atmosphere at a particular time, place that changes from day to day is known as weather. Now dear students, we should know something more about weather. The weather on earth always changes. Yes, we know that. आज कुछ और है, कल कुछ और होगा weather. Even day after to day, like it is day after, the weather might be different. Is that clear? So the climatic study that deals with the atmosphere and its phenomena, especially with weather and weather forecasting, is called meteorology. So कभी आपने सोचा हम फोरकास्ट तो फटाफट देख लेते हैं, लेकिन इसकी स्टडी को क्या बोलते हैं? It is meteorology, and the person who studies meteorology is known as an meteorologist, right? So बच्चे, now let's see to it. The climate may vary from one place to another. This is what we had seen. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि चेन्नई में टेम्परेचर अलग होगा. It might be different in Himalayan ranges, might be different in Jaipur, in Rajasthan, in Gujarat. It might be different in Kerala, right? So आप लोगों ने कभी सोचा कि यहाँ पर किसके कारण से इफेक्ट आता है? Yes, the effect is due to many factors. And what are these factors that determine the climate of a place? It is the distance from the equator. It is height above the sea level or altitude, winds, humidity and rainfall, distance from the sea. So these are the factors that determine the climate of a place. Now but just see to it, when we go to Chennai, वहाँ पर टेम्परेचर थोड़ा सा ह्यूमिड रहता है. डू यू नो वाई? बिकॉज सी के साथ है. इज दैट क्लियर? So you should be knowing this particular point. In the same manner, when you go to Shimla, when you go to Jammu and Kashmir, वहाँ पे हमेशा ठंड रहती है और गर्मियों में भी हम लोग वहाँ जाना पसंद करते हैं. Why? Because weather conditions are good. It is quite better than the plains there. Why? Why is it so? Because it is in the hilly region. It is quite high, at a height from the sea level. Now but just see to it, in Ganganagar, what is the temperature like? हमारी सिटी में टेम्परेचर हमेशा बहुत हॉट रहा है. सर्दियों में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड और गर्मियों में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड इफ वी गो टू इंटीरियर राजस्थान, यू विल फाइंड नाइट्स आर कूल. डू यू नो वाई? बिकॉज जो सैंड होती है, जो सैंड ड्यून्स हैं, वो बहुत जल्दी ठंडे हो जाते हैं. गर्म भी बहुत जल्दी होते हैं, इसीलिए ड्यूरिंग अ डे टाइम दे आर क्वाइट हॉट एंड ड्यूरिंग अ नाइट टाइम दे आर क्वाइट कूल. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव अ कूल nights there in the like in the places like Jodhpur, in the places like you could be saying Jaisalmer, right? I hope you might have understood these points.